The building blocks of geometry, points, lines, and polygon. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamental concepts of geometry, including points, lines, and polygons. These elements serves as the building blocks for understanding more complex geometric shapes and principles. Join us as we delve into their definitions and properties. Understanding points. A point is a basic unit in geometry representing a specific location in space. It has no dimensions, meaning it does not have length, width, or height. Points are often denoted by capital letters and serve as the foundation for defining lines and shapes. Exploring lines and their types. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure that extends infinitely in both directions. Lines can be classified as horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Understanding lines is crucial as they form the basis for creating various geometric shapes, including polygons. Conclusion: the basics of geometry. In conclusions, points, lines, and polygons are essential components of geometry. Mastering these concepts allows for a deeper understanding of geometric relationships and properties. As we advance in geometry, this building block will serve as a foundation for more complex ideas. Technique: mastering mesh techniques for building complex 3D objects. Introduction to mesh mastery. In this presentation, we will explore advanced techniques for building complex 3D objects. Understanding the principles of mesh creation will enhance your design skills and allow for more creative freedom in your projects. Let's dive into the world of 3D modeling and discover the tools at our disposal. Understanding mesh topology. A solid grasp of mesh topology is essential for creating realistic 3D models. We will discuss the importance of vertex, edge, and face relationships as well as the role of quads versus trees in maintaining a clean and efficient mesh. Proper topology ensures better deformation and animation results. Techniques for complex shapes. Building complex shapes requires a variety of techniques, including extrusion, lofting, and sweeping. Each method offers unique advantage for achieving desired forms. We will also cover the use of subdivision surfaces to enhance the detail and smoothness of your models, creating high quality results. Conclusion and best practices. In conclusion, mastering mesh involves understanding key concepts and applying effective techniques. Always prioritize clean topology and choose the right methods for your project goals. Remember, practice is essential to refine your skills and achieve professional level results in your 3D modeling endeavors. Exploring the world of parametric surfaces. A comprehensive introduction. Introduction to parametric surfaces. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamentals of parametric surfaces. These mathematical constructs allow for the representation of complex shapes and forms. We will discuss their applications, properties, and how they are used in various fields such as graphics, engineering, and mathematics. Understanding parametric equations. Parametric surfaces are defined using parametric equations that express coordinates as functions of one or more parameters. This allows for the creation of intricate shapes. We will look at the mathematical definitions, the importance of parameters, and how they influence the surface geometry. Applications of parametric surfaces. Parametric surfaces are widely used in computer graphics, CAD, and animation. They enable the modeling of complex objects and environments. We will highlight key application industries like aerospace, automotive, and architecture, showcasing their versatility, and importance in modern technology. Conclusion and future directions. In conclusion, parametric surfaces are a powerful tool in mathematics and engineering. Their ability to represent complex shapes opens up new possibilities for innovation. Future research may explore new algorithms and applications in emerging fields like virtual reality and data visualization.